Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well and are healthy as always. As we all know that we are in lockdown period and for that reason we are not able to connect with each other physically. But not to worry. We all know that technology has advanced a lot and we are in the year 2020. So, no corona can stop us to stay connected. On the same note, we are going to start our online classes from today onwards. Well, many of you may not be knowing me or my name. So, let me introduce myself. Myself, Mr. Karim, your mathematics teacher for class 6. So, students, let us jump to our topic. Topic 1, that is knowing our numbers. It is lecture number 1, topic 1. What is there in this topic? Let us see. The first topic is comparing numbers. Students, in your life you have compared many things like pen and pencil. You keep it aside and compared. Which one is bigger? Yes, the pencil is the bigger one. Which one is small? Pen is the small. Same way we are going to compare the numbers. Because we are in mathematics, we are going to compare numbers also. Now, what is the method to compare two numbers? The description is given is before you. If two numbers are given, then a number having smaller number of digits will be smallest and a number having greater number of digits will be the greatest. What does this means? Let us take some examples. If two numbers, see here two numbers are given 95 and 395. Then number having smaller number of digits. See which one is having smaller number of digits? 95 is having only 2 digits. Ones place, tens place. While 395 is having 3 digits. Ones place, tens place and hundreds place. So the one which is having less number of digits will be the smallest number and one which is having more number of digits, that is greater number of digits, will be the greatest. So here 95 is having 2 digits and 395 is having 3 digits. Therefore 95 is the smallest number and 395 is the greatest number. Second example, 256, 85. Now you must be clear. Here 85 is having 2 digits only, while 256 is having 3 digits, hundreds place, tens place and ones place. So here 85 is the smallest number. Why? Because it contains only 2 digits and 256 is the greatest number because it contains 3 digits. Now question may arise in your mind, what if the same number of digits are given? That is, you have been given 3 numbers or 4 numbers or 2 numbers having same number of digits. Then what? Don't worry, that we have the solution for that also, and for that purpose we must follow these instructions. If the number of digits in 2 or more numbers are same, then that number will be larger which has greater leftmost digit. What does this mean? This means if you have been given 2 numbers, this is example I am taking to explain you better. If they have given you 2 numbers having same number of digits, see here it is hundreds place, tens place and ones place, 385 and 425. 2 numbers are given and both of them are having same number of digits. Both of them are having 3 digits and 3 digits. During that time, they are telling us what we must be doing. They told us that number will be larger. That number will be larger who is having leftmost number. See, your leftmost number is 4. Leftmost number is 3. So, the leftmost number, if it is greater, the number is greater. The number is the greatest. Here, both the numbers are having same number of digits, but the leftmost number in 425 is 4, while in the leftmost number in 385 is 3. So, definitely 4 is the greater one. So, 425 has greatest leftmost digit, therefore 425 is greatest number. Wasn't that easy? Let us take some confusing number. For that, I am going to next page. Here they have given you 3 numbers, and all the 3 are having same numbers of digits. All the 3s are having 4 digits. See, 5275, 4 digits. 5265, 4 digits. 5245, 4 digits. Now what? Same rule will apply. We will look at the leftmost number, leftmost greatest number. On the left of 5275 is 5, 5265 is 5, 5245 is 5. Now what? Don't worry, look into the hundreds place digit. Digit in hundreds place is 2, 2 and 2. Do not worry, they are also having the same number of digit, so we will look into the tens place. See students, in tens place we are having 5275, that is 7 is in tens place. Here 6 is in tens place and 4 is in tens place of 5245. From these 3 numbers, which is the greatest? 7 is the greatest. Yes, therefore we will say the number 5275 is the greatest number because it is having 7 in its tens place, and 5245 is the smallest number because it is having the smallest number, that is 4, in its tens place. Wasn't that easy, students? Now, second term which we are going to study today, that is ascending order. Don't go to the harsh word or the scary word ascending. What does it mean? It is nothing. You all are standing in assembly line. Day to day life you are standing in the assembly line, right? How we are standing in assembly line? The smaller boy is standing in front row, in first place. The boy which is bigger than him will be standing behind, and so on. We are making the lines, right? It is the same thing. The smaller number will be the first, and then the greater number will follow. Let us look into the definition. Ascending order. The definition of ascending order is, it means arrangement of the numbers from smallest to the greatest number. We all know that 1 comes first. So 1 will be first number, second will be second number, third, 5, if there is no 4 then 5 will be coming after 3, then 7 if it is not 6. This is the ascending order. Let us take one example so that you can understand better. Every time they will be not giving you the single digit number. Let us take different digit numbers so that you can understand. Arrange the numbers 847, 9754, 8320, 571 in ascending order. If they have given you this type of question, arrange them in ascending order. You will start with the smallest number first. Which is the smallest number among these? Yes, we have studied. The smallest number is 571. So it will be the first number. Then 847. Then 8320. Then 9754. Here 571 is less than 847. 847 is less than 8320, and 8300 is less than 9754. So it is ascending order of the given numbers. Isn't it easy, students? Now let us take one another definition, that is descending order. And students, descending order is exactly opposite of ascending order. Here we will start with the greatest number first, and then the smaller number will follow on, right? Let us first take the definition of descending order. It means arrangement of the numbers from greatest to the smallest. Here we will take 7 first. 7 will be the first number. As I have taken these numbers, I will take the same number. 7 will be the first, then comes 5, then 3, then 2, then 1. But every time they will not be giving you the smallest digit. They will be giving you 4 number digits, 5 number digits. Then not to worry. Let us take one example. They will be giving you this type of question. Arrange the numbers 810, 5240, 890, 6249 in descending order. In descending order. Do not worry. First find out which is the greatest among these 4. On looking the numbers, I see 4-digit number here and one is 4-digit number here. I will look to the leftmost number. Here it is 5, here it is 6. So my greatest number is 6245. So I will place it first. Then which number will follow? Definitely it will be 5240. After that 890 or 810? Yes, of course 890 will follow. And the last number we will write is 810. Wasn't this easy? Yes, of course it is easy. This is the descending order of the given numbers. So students, that was it for today's lecture. I will be giving you some homework, but go through this lecture 2 or 3 times so that you can understand very well. Once you have gone through this lecture 2 to 3 times, tomorrow or day after tomorrow I will be giving you one assignment related to ascending order and comparing the numbers. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home and stay healthy. Thank you.